Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? Have you submit your homework? Yes, good. Okay, today we are going to continue our chapter 15, solving simultaneous linear equation. Our topic today is problem solving involving simultaneous equation. Is it just the objective? Okay, before we go through to our topic, just revise back about what we have learned. So the simultaneous equation using elimination method. Here the exercise. Okay, the answer, to start solving it by elimination method, we can omit y. Since the first equation have plus y and the second equation have minus y, so we can omit y. So we take 1 plus 2, we will get 2x and y becomes 0, and 67 plus 3 become 70. So we solve for x, we get x equal to 35. And we intend to find out value of y, we need to substitute x equal to 35 into equation 1. So we get 35 plus y equal to 67. It's implied that y is equal to 67 minus 35. So y is equal to 32. So the solution set we get is 35, 32. Which means x equal 35 and y equal 32. Okay, move to our topic today. Problem solving involving simultaneous equation. Okay, example, the sums of two numbers is 138 and whose difference is 88. Find the two numbers. So the important thing here, we have two different hypotheses which we state about sum and difference. So we are talking about two numbers. So the main step before we start solving, we read to understand. After that, we need to use the letter to identify the unknowns, or we can call variable. So as the answer, just let x be the greater number and y be the smaller number. Yeah, there are two numbers, so x be the greater one and y be the smaller one. And depending on what's given, the hypothesis, so we get the equation as x plus y, the sum of the two numbers is 138, the first equation, and the difference, so we take this larger one minus the smaller one, it means x minus y, so it is equal to 88, the second equation. Start solving this one by using elimination method. It's much easier than substitution, right? So we can omit y, so we get 2x equal to 226, and we solve for x, we will get a equal to 113. The same thing, we need to find out y. We substitute a equal to 113 into 1, so we get 113 plus y equal 138. Solve for y, we will get 25. So the two numbers are 113 and 25. Okay, move to the second example together. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 8. When the number with the same digit reversed is subtracted from the number, the difference is 18. So what is the number? Okay, you know a two-digit number, right? It just start from 10 until 99. We call it two-digit number. So which one in here refer to the hypothesis given? When we sum the digit there is equal to 8, and when we reverse it, subtract from the original number, we will get 18. So look at the solution all together. So there are two digits, so we have to let x be the tens digit and y be the units digit or the ones digit. So the number we get is 10x plus y, right? It's an example like 20. So 20 is a 2-digit number. So 20 equal to 10 times 2 and then plus 0, right? So in here, x in the 10 digits, so the value of it just multiply by 10, and y the value as 1, so y times 1 is still y. So the reverse of it will be 10y plus x, right? We reverse, so 10y plus x. And depending on what's given, we get x plus y. X plus y just refer to the digit in there. So x digit in the tens place, y digit in the ones place. So plus together equal to 8. So we get the first equation. And the difference, yeah, the difference from the original number. Original number is 10x plus y. So subtract the reverse of it is 10y plus x. Yeah. In here, do not forget to use the bracket. If you don't use bracket, you have to multiply the sign in. If you forget to multiply the sign in, you will make mistake. So the difference is equal to 18. After we simplify, we will get 9x minus 9y equal to 18. Otherwise, both sides have 9 as common. We can simplify both sides by 9. So we get x minus y equal 2. Yeah, we name it to be the second equation. Yeah, we name to be the second equation. So now we have 1 and 2. Yeah, we can solve it simultaneously. So we take 1 plus 2. Yeah, 1 plus 2, so 2x equal 10. It's implied x equal to 5. Now we intend to find out y. We just substitute x equal 5 into 1. So we get 5 plus y equal 8. It's implied y equal 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So we find out the value of x, value of y. We just substitute into the original number. We get 10 times 5 plus 3, so we get 53 is the required number. Yeah. Okay, it's time for you to do the exercise. Here there are two exercises given. The first one, 1/3 of the thumb of two angles is 60 degrees and 1/4 of their difference is 28 degrees. Find the two angles. The second exercise, adding unity to the numerator as well as the denominator of a fraction makes it equal to 4/5. Subtracting 5 from each makes it equal to half. So what is the fraction? Okay, start doing this one for a 20 minutes. Yeah. Thank you for your paying attention. Good luck, everyone.